am the Anonymous Frog. And today, I will be teaching you lot how to make your own Anonymous Frog episodes. You can already tell how little effort I put into my content, so I'm teaching you how to stoop to my level. Let's get started. First, you're going to want the meat and potatoes himself. The Anonymous Frog. Grab yourself a nice quality version of my image. No fat shaming please. Next, you're going to want to draw more assets. Open up a paint program, and draw some assets. Easy as that. A little bush over here, a tree under there, and a lot of grass everywhere. Next you're going to grab yourself a couple of voices. Now your recordings might not be the cleanest, your voice might be too young, too damaged from smoking, or maybe you can't talk at all. So grab yourself some text-to-speech from a text-to-speech program. Now none of them are going to be as good as what I use, so I recommend using something called Amazon Polly, which unfortunately costs money if you plan to make Anonymous Frog videos for a long time. Luckily I've found some sites that offer it for free. Regardless on how you acquire the voices, you got to pick the right ones for the job. My voice is named Brian. You will also hear the recognizable voices of Matthew, Joey, Justin, and Rick. Once you have all your assets ready to go, you're going to need to edit the thing. For that, I recommend OpenShot. It's a free editing tool. It's money-free, credit-free, watermark-free, gluten-free, free as a bird taken out of its cage. I can't recommend it enough. Unless they sponsored me, which they didn't. Next, you're going to want some background music. You don't want to get sued, so grab some stock music you have a license to use. I recommend two places to get music. First, go to bensound.com. The intro theme is called Hip Jazz. Unfortunately, you can only get a few dozen tracks, and you have to credit the guy, so go to the YouTube audio library if you need something that fits better. You have everything ready? The next part is to come up with a story that you can make where the frog does something. This is where you can put your creativity to its bare minimum. A typical Anonymous Frog episode hovers around 7 minutes, although there do exist 3-minute videos, so try to aim for that. How do you bring Anonymous Frog to life? Just plop the assets in the editor and move them around. No time and effort for animating. The video editor can do all the work for you. You can move up down left right B and start. You can rotate, you can scale, you can run doom on this. Got time for a joke? Take every opportunity to extend the watch time to 8 minutes, shortened from 10 minutes. Thanks YouTube. And you too can gain 10 views per video. All this hard work takes weeks to go through, and when you're making bugger all, that does not compute. So set up a Patreon and make your audience pay $30 a month to watch it 2 hours earlier than the rest of us. That's all for this episode of Anonymous Frog. Go and subscribe to this channel and comment on my flies, if you like.